here at H&P on a Wednesday, private rental, and we brought the Camaro back out to hopefully get a little bit better. Like anything else, you gotta test. You want to be fast, you gotta test. There's just no way around it. There's no recipe. It's not cookie cutter. You know what I mean? So every build is different. So you just gotta come out, make passes, get data,
get that seat time, baby.
Learn, They just started, so which is pretty good.
Hey, go tell them to shut up.
We're getting ready for our first pass, and we'll go from there. So enjoy.
Comments are gonna go crazy.
What?
No cookie cutter.
No cookie cutter. So, as anybody wonders why this shit is fucking bungee cord to the roll cage, so we try to go earlier and get our CO2 bottle filled. We usually have a bracket that goes on there, but they couldn't fill it in time, or they needed a couple of days with it. So we end up purchasing this 5-pound bottle. I think the original was like 2.5 or 2, so it's a little bit smaller. So we just said fuck it, put it on there. We thought the bottle bracket was gonna work, it didn't, and we just ran out of time to make a bracket to where it's actually secured nicely.
So, it's too big.
This will do the job. It hits in the corner, it'll be fine. If it flies, it hits my head. You know why?
Nah, man, you got the funny cage.
So don't kill me, please.
Yeah, is that a grocery bag? It's the first time So how'd she do?
You want to see the time slip?
Yeah.
Look right here.
You don't.
Man, how'd the last hit go?
Oh man, it went good. Started off on the right foot. We took some, we took a little bit of degrees off the hit just to make sure that it actually goes down. As you can see from the last YouTube, video, we ended it with us spinning twice. It's nerve-wracking because you sit there, you think you got everything situated. And again, like I said, it's testing, right? This is why we test. We're still messing with the boost controller. Chris Delgado is still trying to tweak out the boost controller deal. We're having a little issues where I am gonna pull 2 chutes this next run because now that we actually see a little bit of mile an hour, I stopped, which is fine, but I was a little bit harder on the brake, so I want to make sure that doesn't become a problem. So I'm gonna end up hooking up the other cable for the secondary parachute, so that way I can make sure I stop. So we also made adjustments to the anti-roll bar. Looks like I'm pulling a little bit to the right. I'm getting closer to the wall since we are running on the right lane, and that's the way Dean has it set up here at H&P. It's left lane is slick, right lane is radial. So got that situated. Like I said, we fixed that. So Kenny Hubbard's actually here on site helping us out because Zagato couldn't make it, so he's remote tuning for us. So tried the best of both worlds on suspension and on the tuning side. So we're pretty confident that I think tonight we'll see something. Hopefully get a new personal best. We get a new personal best and see how it goes. But we're about to make our second hit and see where we're at, and we'll see. So, obviously you can tell from my face expression. No, let me backtrack there. Let me backtrack. It went good. Car went down. Car still runs. It still turns on. You know, we still got oil pressure. We're good. We're good. We thought when we made the stator change and everything else, it looked promising. It looked good. We threw more power at it. Tune-up is pretty much, pretty close. Chris Delgado felt like he was confident that, we'll be able to throw more power at it. You know what I mean? I think we went up like 10 pounds of boost, so that's a lot on a big block. The twins. With that being said, it went a little bit faster, but it didn't go what it's supposed to run. Mile an hour is really low. So basically what I'm trying to say is we're blowing through the converter again. The RPM drop is not, it was really good when it was down on, we had it on I guess we'll call it low boost, but we turned it up and we're back to square one. Blow through the converter, and it's just not taking the power. So, but again, this is why we test, why we come out here. This is not a waste of time, not a waste of money or anything. This is knowledge. This is what you're supposed to do, right? So, sometimes we get lucky and get, hit it right on the money on this deal here because it's a build that someone else did. We're kind of in the dark trying to figure out what's gonna work, what's not gonna work, and we keep on hitting a wall. It's not, like I said, but there is a lot of improvement, 60-foot improvement, a little bit, 330 improvement. So everything, we're going in the right direction. It's just the actual outcome, the actual number that matters. It's not what we want. So gotta go back to the drawing board, figure all that stuff out. And while we're actually down, I'm gonna talk to the owner, Mr. Ponce, and see if we can go ahead and refresh a few things, like the turbo on the passenger side is starting to puke out a little bit of more oil than what it normally does. It's smoking when we start, so it's just little things. Like I said, it's just maintenance on the car. So we'll end the night basically on again on a good, not so good note. But like I said, my biggest thing is the car still runs. We still got oil pressure. Everything seems fine. It's just we threw more power at it. We threw more power at it, and it just, like I said, it didn't take it. So, and that it's not gonna work, and that won't win races, unfortunately. You guys are watching, all my subscribers and stuff. Let me know if I'm doing a good job. Want me to explain a little bit more in detail what's going on. I can kind of show you guys, obviously off the laptop, whatever. If you guys want more information, just let me know. Put it on the comments, right? Below in the comments and stuff, and give you guys suggestions and stuff of what and how we can make the channel better. So, like I said, this is still new to us and everything else. So we're trying to multitask here, race the cars, maintenance the cars, and obviously talk on camera. So hope you guys enjoy what we've been doing so far, and we have a lot more cool content coming up. So also the motor for the fairing is almost done. I got a phone call today about it. Actually, I went to go drop off the oil pan. We made some adjustments to it. Hopefully maybe Friday, if not the following week, it'll be ready to rock and roll. So yeah, you'll start seeing some more Fairlane content as well, and get it out and going. So hopefully we get both of these two together and run some really fast times. So but yeah, it's over. So till next one.